Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Civilsteps. So Civilsteps has started one of the important series that is for Prelims 2022. So Target Prelims 2022 initiative of Civilsteps will help students to cover the important topics of history, geography, polity, economy, science, environment, and current affairs. So this Target Prelims 2022 series has started from 19th of December 2021 and will help you to cover more than 1000 important topics for prelims examinations. Target Prelims 2022 has been designed keeping in mind the dynamic nature of the UPSC Civil Services Examinations. Hence, Target 2022 focus on overall preparation of a serious civil services aspirant, and it will sail you through UPSC Civil Services Examination very smoothly. So today we will discuss important MCQs on current affairs. So the first question is, with reference to the universities, consider the following statements. First, the Chief Secretary of the state is the ex officio chancellor of the universities in the state. Second, under the Central Universities Act 2009 and other statutes, the President of India shall be the visitor of a central university. So, which of the statements given above are correct? Option number A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So, you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. I hope you have written the answer. So, the answer of this question is option number B, two only. So, in most of the cases, the governor of the state is the ex officio chancellor of the universities in that state. While in central universities, under the Central Universities Act 2009 and other statutes, the President of India shall be the visitor of a central university. Hence, only statement second is correct. So, this was in news because a controversy has erupted in Kerala over the reappointment of Gopinath Ravindran as the Vice Chancellor of Kannur University, with Governor Arif Muhammad Khan saying he approved the decision against his better judgment as Chancellor. So this was all about question number first. Now let us discuss question number second. National Helpline Against Atrocities is an initiative of option number A, Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. Second, Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Third, Union Ministry of Education. D, none of the above. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number A, Union Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. So the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment is scheduled to launch a national helpline against atrocities on 13 December 2021, and its aim is to ensure proper implementation of the Scheduled Castes and the Scheduled Tribes Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989, which was enacted with a view to inter alia preventing atrocities on members of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes. So this was in news because a national helpline against atrocities on SCs and STs to be launched tomorrow. So this was all about question number second. So UPSC can ask this question in its prelims examination. So you should cover current affairs very well. Now let us discuss question number third. With reference to banking reforms, consider the following statements. First, central government aims to raise the insured limit for bank deposits to rupees 5 lakh from rupees 1 lakh within a 90-day time limit. Second, according to Reserve Bank of India, the payment of deposit insurance should be seen as a measure of last resort. So which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, one only, B, two only, C, both one and two, D, neither one nor two. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number C, both 1 and 2. So Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikant Das indicated that the banking regulator will ring in sweeping regulatory changes to reform urban cooperative banks that have been plagued by a spate of failures and warned people against parking their savings in banks offering high returns. Hence, both statements are correct. So, this was in news because RBI governor warns depositors against chasing higher returns. So, this is the important MCQ of economy current affairs. So, now let us discuss question number 4. In which of the following states is Baksa Tiger Reserve located? Option number A, West Bengal, B, Manipur, C, Meghalaya, D, Nagaland. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section. So the answer of this question is option number A, West Bengal. So an increase in the forest density and the big cat prey base, especially deer, had attracted a Royal Bengal tiger, a first such sighting in 23 years, to the Baksa Tiger Reserve. Hence, option A is the correct answer. So this was in news because the Forest Department on Saturday shared a camera trap image of the tiger spotted at the East Damanpur range of the Tiger Reserve. The news highlighted and delighted wildlife enthusiasts and ecologists. So this is very important for environment. So you should cover this topic very well from standard sources, and you should also read about other tiger reserves also which are in the news. So now let us discuss question number 5. Recently seen in news, New Caledonia is located in option number A, Arabian Sea, B, Red Sea, C, Bay of Bengal, D, none of the above. So you can pause this video and write your answer in the comment section below. So the answer of this question is option number D, none of the above. So voters in the French island territory of New Caledonia chose overwhelmingly to remain part of France in a referendum boycotted by pro-independence forces and closely watched around the South Pacific. So this was in news because New Caledonia votes to remain part of France. So this was all about today's video. I hope you liked the video. So you can subscribe the channel and you can also press the bell icon. Thank you very much.